Okay, in this video, I will be configuring Swagger UI in a .NET Core app. So let's get started. It's pretty early in the morning, so I'm still kind of waking up. Or 9 o'clock is not that early, but still I'm tired. Everything changes when you have a baby anyways. So let's see. Is it camel kiss? No, it's not camel kiss. All right, and so after that, I will include just some of the boilerplate code for the builder services. Again, this is just the boilerplate code that I'm gonna leave in there. Let's see. So this is the next boilerplate code, mentioning that only show it when it's in the development environment. And yeah, that'll do it. So if and now you should have all of your APIs listed here. Now I don't have any APIs at the moment. I mean, I suppose I can create one. Let's create a quick API. Sample. And this will be get sample, return the object result, sample. Okay, so after that, well, I guess I'll just refresh this page, and now I have a sample API that I can try out. Sample. So yeah, that's how quick and easy it is to configure Swagger, to list all of your API endpoints, which is very helpful. There's a ton of benefits to having Swagger. Only in development, you really don't want to be publishing this in production. But there's a huge amount of benefit. You don't have to write, you don't have to have, this Postman HTTP manager, any of that. This is the perfect way. I believe it even generates sample data to send to the API endpoint. So it's an awesome tool. In fact, I'll probably make a video just on how awesome the tool is. So see you guys next time.